Welcome to Macrame. To create this bubble, we're going to take 2 cord. So here I've taken bubble of black color, which is 3 inches diameter bubble, and then these cords I've cut into 28 inches length, and I've cut total 12 cords, and then I've taken one cord of 6 inches, which we will need at the end for creating a wrapping knot. And here you can see I have taken one 28-inch cord and folded into half, and then I'm going to add the rest 11 cords onto it using lurket knot. So yeah, add pin down in the middle, and then add the cords on both sides of the cord or the pin, so that all the cords are in the middle already. So here we have added all 11 cords, and now I'm going to tie the both ends of the main cord, or the cord we have added on to. So I'm going to tie using double hitch knot, and then we will start making pattern. Now to create pattern, I have separated all these cords into 4 groups and 4 groups of 6 cords. I'm taking first group of 6 cords and starting to create the pattern. And you can see to create the pattern I have taken one side cord, and then I'm starting to tie 2 cords using double hitch knot on this side cord, and then I am going to do same from the other side. So I have taken another side cord, and again you can see I'm adding the rest 2 cords onto it using double hitch knot. Now I am going to take again from both sides one pattern. You can see I took the first cord from one side, and then again tying the rest 2 cords onto it, and I'll be repeating the same on the other side as well. Okay, you can see the pattern is done. So what you can do, just tie the middle 2 knots using double hitch knot, which I am going to do at the end. So I'm basically going to repeat the same pattern and then tie the middle cords as well. You can see I am just tying the middle cords using double hitch knot again on all the patterns, and then I am going to continue with the next pattern. So here you can see I am now taking a 3 cord from one pattern and 3 cord from the another pattern to the same side, and I'm tying the first 2 cords using double hitch knot with the gap it is possible. So I'm just trying to keep it flat so that it can fit in the bauble properly. So I'm going to tie the rest 2 cords on one side, and again on the other side the rest 2 cords for the beginning of the pattern. Okay, so this side is done. So again take the first cord and then tie the rest 2 cords from the other side onto it. Okay, and now again take first cord from the middle. So basically there are 2, take one and bring it to the one side and tie the rest 2 cords on the sides, and again do the same on the other side, or you can just continue completing this slide. So again take first cord and then tie the rest 2 cords onto it, as you can see here, and I'll be repeating the same on the other side. So this is done, and I'm going to repeat it on the rest 3 sides, and then we will put it in the bauble and complete the rest of the pattern. Okay, so here our 3 patterns are done, so I'm just going to try and see if this fits in the bauble. So obviously it can, so I'm just checking how close we should tie so that it can stick to the bauble, the pattern. And so yeah, obviously I created the first line, and then I'm now going to finish it on the on my frame. So obviously it helps if you put it down and then create pattern. So I'm just doing that. I'm going to finish this last pattern and then put it on top of the bauble. Okay, so here it is done, and just again tie the middle cords on all 4 side patterns. Okay, so on the bauble we're again creating another pattern here. Okay, so for this pattern, because we have already covered half bauble, I'm just trying to create the pattern on just adding the bauble. So I don't want to keep it flat because it's going to be otherwise a bit too loose on the bauble. If it will become loopy. So here you can see I've just done that, and then I am creating the first knot, and once you've done the first knot, you can simply carry on with the rest of the pattern like that. So I am simply creating the first line of the pattern same as the above pattern, and then the next is simply going to be the following as the first line. Okay, so again basically just take middle 2 cords and tie onto each other, and then tie the rest 2 cords from the both side on these both side cords one by one, and then create the same line, same pattern, or the same another line on under this, and that will be it for this pattern. And then we will be creating the rest 3 sides as well, the same thing. So you can see the first side is done, and now I'm going to do another side. So obviously you can see here that if we were keeping it flat, it would look very weird on the bauble. So here I'm just keeping it same, and then I'm going to keeping the bauble inside, and then I'm going to create the rest of the pattern. So once you're done, then once you're done the rest of the 3 sides, then we will be just tying the ends. Okay, so you can see that all 3 sides are done, and now I'm just taking the 6-inch cord and creating the wrapping knot here, and for that I've just made a loop, and then took the longer side and wrapped around the loop as well as the and all the ends, and here I'm cutting. So you can just take how much you would like the wraps. So here I've created 4 to 5 wraps, and then I'm taking the top, pulling the top head, and obviously as the wrapping knot says, you just need to keep it in the middle and cut the both side ends. And then here I'm just pulling each and every cord so that we can fit the pattern on the bauble, and it sticks to the bauble so that it looks exactly like the bauble on the top pattern. Okay, and then here once you're done pulling, we just need to cut the ends equal, and our bauble pattern is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. If you like the tutorial, please share it with others as well. And Merry Christmas to you all.